The brand new Nokia 8 Sirocco is here, and in this video we're going to be unboxing it and giving you a first look. Is this the new flagship from Nokia?
It's a pretty standard unboxing in terms of the items that you get inside. To begin with, we get the SIM ejector tool, and Nokia have also been kind enough to include a kind of protective, it's a very basic protective case. This is a crystal clear case, not much when it comes to drop protection, but it will prevent scratches on the back. You also get some reading material, and then in the second section you're going to get a bunch of goodies, including really high quality, the Tangle free wired hands-free kit, and this is a USB-C hands-free kit included. And then you're also going to get a dongle. Now this is for the fact that there is no 3.5mm headphone jack, so if you need to use your headphones that run those, then that is included. And then a power sync cable, which is also USB-C, and then a power brick. Now the device itself, once you get it out of the plastic, is actually really interesting in terms of build quality. You can see Nokia have made really an impact with this device in terms of build quality and finish. It feels incredibly premium in the hand. This definitely feels like a flagship device. So you've got essentially glass on the back and glass on the front. But before I continue, let's take a moment to check out today's sponsor, Ideal's app, which is essentially an online store that sells their own branded clothing and stationery. So you can purchase one of the products and they are limited to a certain number. And with each purchase, you get a complimentary ticket, which gives you a chance to win some incredible prizes. We're talking cash, electronics, a luxury watch, and yes, even a car. Now, once all those products are sold out, then a draw takes place and a winner is announced. And at checkout, if you donate your purchase to the charity Dubai Cares, you essentially double your chances of winning. So download the app from the link down below, give it a try out yourself. Right, the first thing that you'll notice when you get this in your hand is that 5.5-inch QHD OLED display. So you've essentially got Gorilla Glass on the front, and then you've got glass on the back, which is used for wireless charging. And then at its center, the core is a steel frame. And on first impressions in the hand, you'll notice the curvature on the sides of the display, which actually look really good, but I found that it curved off a little too sharp for my liking on the edges, and that's something that will take time to get used to. Now the display is vibrant, as you would expect with a QHD OLED display. Now what powers this is actually a Snapdragon 835 chipset, and you get 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage. Now right out of the box, this comes with Android 8 Oreo, but this is actually an Android One device. So what that essentially means is a very close stock-like Android experience, plus the fact that if you get future updates to the Android operating system, an Android One device will get those quicker than a standard Android powered smartphone. So that is an advantage. Now, one of the other features of the Nokia 8 Sirocco, and this is a feature that I'm going to test out separately in another video, is the camera. You essentially have a dual rear camera that's tuned by Zeiss Optics, and Nokia and Zeiss Optics have been collaborating for decades now. But what you're getting at the back is a 12-megapixel main sensor alongside a 13-megapixel telephoto lens. Now that telephoto lens actually allows you to take really cool bokeh effects, which is essentially the background blurred. Now, one of the features is included in the 8 Sirocco, which is actually a live bokeh mode, which allows you to, do the fine tuning to the levels of background blur with an instant result on screen. So that's something that should be really cool to test out. Another feature is the fact that, with most Nokia devices, there are a range of customizations and controls that you can get in the Pro settings. And again, we'll test those out in the upcoming videos. Right guys, that's it from me for now. Like I said, this was a quick unboxing and first look at the brand new Nokia 8 Sirocco. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think of this device and any future videos you'd like me to do testing certain elements of this device out. And it's really interesting to see how this smartphone will compare with other flagship Android smartphones for 2018. That's it for now. Be sure to follow me on my Instagram and hit subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I'm EMKWAN. Peace and blessings.